Do you want to become a successful content creator? Do you want your voice to be heard and your work to be seen by millions? The journey to success as a content creator can be thrilling, challenging, and rewarding all at the same time. It's a path filled with discovery, creativity, and the opportunity to make a true impact. But how do you navigate this journey? What steps should you take to ensure that your content not only reaches the right audience but also resonates with them? It's all about the 10 key strategies we're about to delve into. These strategies, born out of the experiences of successful content creators, will guide you on your path, from choosing your niche to understanding your key performance indicators. They'll help you build a strong, authentic voice and teach you the power of networking and offering solutions, not just commentary. So, are you ready to take your content creation to the next level? Let's dive in. First things first, you need to choose your niche. Now, what does this mean? It's about finding that special corner of the world that truly lights your fire. It's that topic you could talk about for hours on end, the one you are passionate about and knowledgeable in. Choosing a niche isn't just about picking something you enjoy, though that's certainly a part of it. It's about finding a spot where your unique perspective, knowledge, and skills can shine. So, how do you identify your niche? Start by examining your interests and expertise. What do you know a lot about? What do you love to do in your spare time? How can you provide value to others with this knowledge? But remember, your niche should also have an audience. It should be something other people are interested in and willing to engage with. So do your research and find that sweet spot where your passion meets demand. Remember, the key to success is focusing on what you love and know best. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to immerse yourself in it. One of the best ways to do this is by consuming content related to your chosen field and doing it every single day. It's like a daily vitamin for your creativity, your knowledge, and your understanding of the industry. Reading articles, watching videos, listening to podcasts, all these are ways to keep you updated and informed. It's not just about what's trending, but also about understanding the broader landscape of ideas, the ongoing conversations, the unanswered questions, and the unexplored territories. Think of it as your daily workout routine, but for your brain. By consistently exposing yourself to new ideas and perspectives, you're training your mind to think more creatively, to spot trends before others do, and to develop a keen sense for what resonates with your audience. Remember, in the world of content creation, knowledge isn't just power, it's your superpower. Knowledge is power, and the more you know about your niche, the better. Consistency is key in the world of content creation. It's the secret sauce that keeps your creative engine running and your audience coming back for more. Picture this: your favorite TV show airs a new episode every Tuesday night. You know when to expect it, you anticipate it, and you tune in regularly. The same principle applies to your content creation journey. By regularly creating and posting content, you're not just producing work, you're crafting a rhythm, a consistent beat that your audience can dance to. This rhythm becomes a part of their lives, and before you know it, they're hooked, eagerly awaiting your next piece. Consistency helps build your brand, it helps you grow as a creator, and it builds an audience that knows they can rely on you for regular, quality content. But remember, consistency isn't about churning out content for the sake of it. It's about maintaining a steady pace of quality work that resonates with your audience. Remember, consistency is what turns viewers into loyal followers. Understanding your audience is crucial. It's like being handed a map and compass in a vast wilderness. It's what guides you in creating content that resonates, that strikes a chord. But how do you get to know your audience? Start by identifying who they are. What are their interests, their hobbies, their values? What challenges do they face that you can help solve with your content? Engage with them. Read their comments, their messages. Use surveys and polls to get a clearer picture. Even better, use analytics. These tools provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, preferences, and demographics. But remember, knowing your audience isn't a one-time thing. It's continuous. As their interests evolve, so should your content. It's a dance, a constant back and forth. And the more you understand your audience, the better you can tailor your content to their needs, to their wants. The more you understand your audience, the more impactful your content will be. Finding your voice is a critical part of becoming a successful content creator. This is the essence of you, the unique flavor you bring to the content creation table. Your voice isn't just about the way you speak or write, it's also about the stand you take, the perspectives you share, the values you uphold. To find your voice, start by exploring what you're passionate about. What lights you up and makes you want to share with the world? Then, practice expressing these passions in your own unique way. Experiment, play around. It's okay to make mistakes. This is a journey of discovery. But remember, in all this, authenticity is central. Be true to yourself. Your voice should resonate with who you are as a person. It's not about mimicking others, but about expressing your own truths. Remember, authenticity is key to connecting with your audience. Curating other people's content can also be a great strategy. It's like being a museum director, but for content. You select, organize, and present content created by others, adding your unique perspective or commentary. But when should you curate content? The answer is simple: when it adds value. Maybe it's a brilliant article that perfectly complements your recent blog post, or a podcast episode that resonates with your brand's message. How to curate? Start by selecting high-quality, relevant content. Then add your unique spin. This could be a thoughtful commentary, a fresh perspective, or a new insight. But remember, always give full credit to the original creator. This is not just ethical, but also a great way to build relationships with other creators. It's like saying, "Hey, I love your work, and I think my audience will too." Remember, content creation is not just about creating, but also about sharing and collaborating. Understanding your key performance indicators, or KPIs, is crucial. So what are KPIs? They are the critical metrics that provide insight into how well you're doing in meeting your goals. Whether it's the number of views, likes, shares, or subscribers, these metrics are your compass in the vast ocean of content creation. To effectively use KPIs, you must first identify what success looks like to you. Is it a large following, high engagement rates, or maybe a specific number of sales? Once you've defined your success, you can then establish the KPIs that will help you measure your progress towards it. Monitoring your KPIs regularly will give you a clear picture of what's working and what's not. It's like a health check for your content. If a video isn't getting the views you expected, examine your KPIs. They might reveal a need for better promotion or a different approach. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. So, manage wisely. Networking is a powerful tool in the world of content creation. This isn't just about swapping business cards or adding connections on LinkedIn. It's about building meaningful relationships with like-minded individuals who can help you grow and thrive in your chosen niche. Think of your fellow content creators not as competition, but as collaborators. Reach out to them, engage in conversations, and share ideas. You'll be amazed at how much you can learn from each other. Moreover, these relationships can open up a world of opportunities for collaborations, partnerships, and even mentorships. But remember, networking is a two-way street. It's not just about what you can gain from others, but also what you can offer. Be generous with your time, your knowledge, and your support. After all, the more value you bring to your network, the more value it will bring to you. Remember, your network is your net worth. As a content creator, your job is not just to comment on things, but to offer solutions. This notion takes us to the heart of content creation. Every piece of content you create should strive to solve a problem or answer a question. Why, you may ask? Well, it's simple. Offering solutions provides value, and value builds trust. Think about it. In a world saturated with information, what sets successful content apart is its capacity to offer solutions. This is what keeps people coming back for more. It makes your content not only engaging, but also indispensable. When you consistently offer solutions, you become a trusted advisor in your niche. Your audience will turn to you for guidance, and this credibility will fuel your growth as a creator. So don't just comment on the world around you. Aim to change it, to improve it, to solve the problems that your audience faces. Remember, people don't just want commentary, they want solutions. Last but not least, question everything. It's the final, yet arguably one of the most crucial pieces of advice for aspiring content creators. Why, you ask? Because curiosity and critical thinking are the heart and soul of engaging content. Don't just accept things at face value. Probe deeper, investigate, and explore. It's this insatiable curiosity that leads to unique insights, fresh perspectives, and intriguing story angles. Questioning everything also means challenging your own beliefs and assumptions. It's about constantly learning, growing, and pushing your creative boundaries. Ask yourself, how can I make this better? Could there be another way to approach this? What haven't I considered yet? Is there more to the story? These questions drive innovation and creativity, keeping your content fresh, relevant, and engaging. They'll help you stand out in a sea of content and resonate with your audience on a deeper level. Remember, the best content creators are those who ask the best questions. So, there you have it. 10 tips to help you on your journey to becoming a successful content creator. We've traversed the landscape of choosing your niche, reminding you to immerse yourself in your industry's content daily. We've emphasized the importance of regular writing and knowing your audience. We've explored the power of your unique voice and the clever use of curated content. We've also delved into the significance of understanding your key performance indicators and how networking at every opportunity can open doors for you. We touched on the importance of offering solutions, not just commentary, and the value of questioning everything. These are not just tips, but stepping stones to your success. Each one is a tool in your creator's kit, waiting to be used. Implement them, experiment with them, and watch your content creation process evolve. Remember, the journey to success begins with a single step. Start taking that step today. Good luck.